What's up everybody, welcome to a new video. Today I have the Xpulse. The Xpulse is back. I know you guys love this bike. On my channel when I put it, I think a few months ago, I finally found some off-road over here, and that's the reason I just thought I'll make a quick video for you guys. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Let's go. That is the Kaital Bala Hero Impulse ata. Bala. Let's go. My Duke 390 is being rode by Chandan Dineshan, my college friend. It's such a bliss to ride this beast. See, none of this is a problem for yeah, baby, that's easy. Lovely. All these soft patches are not even a slightest problem for it. The thing about the Duke is that it's kind of heavy. It is going to do this, but it is going to struggle a little bit. You cannot catch speeds like you will catch on the Xpulse 200. Gonna be mad. Chase is gonna be mad. Chase is gonna be mad. Chase is gonna be mad. Sorry, bro. What a beauty.
I think the girls with their nails done now.
What a peaceful bike. I wish the engine was a little more powerful. That would make it so much better to ride it across for touring. What a smooth bike. This absolutely zero problems on this one. Zero. If you guys wonder what place is this, I'm in Mangalore. I don't exactly know what the exact place is, but watch my previous vlog, because in that we came and we explored an unexplored, haunted or some kind of a riverside. Look at this. Look at the stability on that bike. Look at that. Woohoo! Lovely, lovely, lovely. And the fun part is I haven't even saddled yet. I wish there was somebody to show you the rear side of my wheels, because I've been fishtailing so much. This is so much fun. Let's see what my Duke is doing. All good, let's go. Like to catch some speed over here. Lovely. And that's it. Here is literally, I don't know how long is this, around 4 or 5 minutes of a vlog. I think the off-road's empty, and here goes the video. I'll see you guys in another one. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe. Peace. I love you. And there goes Samaya. Lovely. What a beauty. What a beauty. If you love this bike and you want to know more, I have made comprehensive reviews and 3 different videos about the bike. You'll find it in the link in the description on my playlist, or you can just type Aki Vlogs Xpulse 200. You'll find your boy there. Drop a gear and disappear. The hard parts about riding the Duke on an everyday basis is you enjoy riding it, you love the power, you love the adrenaline that it pumps in on you. But as soon as you go to a place, that's what you generally do when you tour, right? So if you go to a beautiful site, all your energy comes down, your adrenaline comes down, and you start getting tired, and the ride back is going to be a fatigue one. But in the Xpulse, you're relaxed, your hands are free, your legs are in a perfect position. Feels really good, feels really nice, and that's the advantage of having a touring bike primarily. I am planning to switch into one, not this one, a little more powerful one.
Give me reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out.
Give me some suggestion in the description box below, and let's see what happens. Let me show you some beautiful Jai Hanuman. Look at that, beautiful. What a beautiful, what a majestic statue. What's up, baby? I love this. Right before we end this vlog, for all the crazy stuff we did throughout the week, we just came to take a few blessings at Kodiyadka. It's a beautiful, majestic Hanuman, and I'll show you my favorite animal, which is in this temple. This is my favorite animal, man. This gotta be. If I'm ever as rich as I can own a pet elephant, I'm gonna do it. But I'll have to be a minister, because you'll have to have so much bribed money.
Push me down to the ground. What goes around comes around. You won't put the flame out. You can't get to me. Say what you wanna say. Go take it all away. But I'm here to stay. No, you can't get to me. And there is no barricade.